This old Littleton hadn't been used in a long time. It's pretty much...
Now what? You're standing on my... you don't have shoes on, right?
Yeah.
Well, then you're good. Carry on.
Well, Raymond put this one in too, right?
Yep.
Yep. But Raymond's the guy who rented here. Totally wrecked the place. I don't really like him. I don't really know him, but what I've heard, he's the one that put the sprinklers in too. But this thing makes noise. Let me turn it on. Look at that. Oh, there it goes. Wait a minute, I think I can fix that. Oh yeah, that's an easy fix. This thing was painted on too. Okay, look at that. I got it all fixed up. Other screws must have fallen out over time. Now let's see it. The globe is also... Oh gosh, the whole thing is coming out of the ceiling. Fred really wants to keep these fans though. So, I guess I'll let him. I forgot one ceiling fan. So, I'm going to go do it right now in the next video.